After weeks of searching, the wreckage of the Ford F-150 finally emerged from the murky depths of the bay.
San Francisco's waters have claimed this Ford F-150, leaving it crushed and drowning in salt.
To fix the metal, we must expose it. Sandblasting will strip away the paint, the rust, and the memory of the crash.
Stripped of its paint, the F-150 is just raw steel now. We can finally see the true extent of the collision damage hidden underneath.
Here, the F-150 begins to take shape. Every bend, every curve is crafted by hand to exact specifications.
The crash bent the frame. We need 10 tons of hydraulic pressure to pull it back into alignment. It has to be perfect.
The structure is sound. Now we hide the surgery, grinding down the welds until the metal feels like one continuous piece.
While the body rests, the heart needs surgery. The engine block is sitting on the bench, locked up tight by saltwater corrosion.
It moved. Just a fraction, but it's enough. The bond of the rust is broken.
New bearings, new rings, polished crank. It's not just a repair, it's a resurrection. Precision is key.
The heart goes back into the body. The F-150 is whole again, mechanically at least.
The metal is straight, but not perfect. A thin layer of filler smooths the microscopic imperfections. It's sculpture work now. Sanding, hours of it, until our fingerprints are gone. The foundation for the paint must be flawless.
Epoxy primer. It seals the metal, prevents the rust from ever coming back. It's the armor.
The gun hisses, and the patchwork of metal and filler disappears under a uniform coat of gray. The body is primed. The engine is in. Now comes the moment we've all been fearing. Will it start?
Come on. Yes! We got it. That's what I'm talking about.
The hard work is done. The metal is fixed, the engine runs. Now, we give it a soul. Next, we paint.
It's rough, it's loud, but it's alive. The beast from the sea is breathing again.
When force fails, we turn to fire. Heat is the only thing that can break the ocean's grip.
To fix the spine of this beast, we must separate the body from the frame. It's a delicate surgery on a 2-ton patient.
There's no repairing this rust. We have to strip it all away. We're taking it down to the bone.
High-pressure sand acts like an eraser for decades of decay. The rust doesn't stand a chance.
Hydraulics versus steel. We have to pull the frame back into alignment, millimeter by millimeter.
The rust is gone, but the scars remain. The bare metal reveals the true violence of the crash.
While the frame heals, we turn to the heart. This engine swallowed gallons of seawater.
New pistons, new rings, new bearings. We are building a heart stronger than the original.
You can't buy these panels anymore. We have to shape them by hand, the old-fashioned way.
There's a deep satisfaction in seeing the progress, in making something whole again.
A thin layer of filler ensures perfection. It's sculpture at this point.
Precise.
Before we paint, we must ensure the lines are true. The accident shifted everything. The metal work is done. Now we mask off the areas that must stay clean. It's like wrapping a present. We move to the paint booth, a sterile environment. Dust is the enemy here.
We spray a black dust called a guide coat, then sand it off by hand. It reveals imperfections smaller than a human hair.
We chose a color that honors its survival. Deep ocean blue. Dark, mysterious, and resilient.
They expect flawless. That means controlled environment, precise mix, and absolute focus. This primer coat sets the stage. The gun triggers. The gray disappears under a wave of deep blue.
Now the clear coat. This is what gives it the glass-like finish. It locks the color in forever.
The color saturation is excellent under the infrared.
Agreed. The liquid look is exactly what the client wanted.
Another perfect job.
We aren't just painting a truck, we are dressing a survivor. We chose a deep midnight blue, dark like the ocean. The color sets the tone, but the clear coat brings the depth. This is where the mirror finish is born. Heat lamps on. Time is the final ingredient. We leave her to bake, hardening the armor against the elements.
The margin for error is non-existent at this stage.
Easy now. Drop it 5 millimeters.
Sealing the cabin. The glass goes in. This is what separates the driver from the roar of the road.
It's a complex nervous system. Fuel lines, electrical harnesses, cooling hoses. Every connection must be watertight.
The ocean ruined the old interior. We start fresh. Sound deadening first, then plush new black carpet.
The dashboard. The command center. Every gauge, every switch, restored to factory condition. It's the little things. Door handles, mirrors, trim, the jewelry on the suit. One last polish. Removing the fingerprints of creation to leave only the shine.
Earn your name. F-150. Reclaiming its identity.
Fluids are in. Battery is charged. The moment of truth. Will she wake up? The garage has been a hospital and a home. But trucks belong outside.
Midday sun. No hiding imperfections now, and there are none.
Do you remember the crushed metal? The barnacles? Look at her now.
back to the streets of San Francisco, where the story almost ended. Crossing the Golden Gate, a bridge between the past and the future.
We took her back to the coast, not to fear the ocean, but to respect it.
Every bolt tightened, every wire traced. 1,000 hours of labor for this moment.
Some saw scrap metal in the water. We saw potential. It wasn't about the truck. It was about refusing to give up.
From the bottom of the sea to the king of the road, this is the San Francisco F-150.